Ziggy, you can do it.
This is the one. You can do it.
Hey, guys, guess what? You're all going to be invited to my...
Hang on, Pinky. Ziggy's going for a new world record.
Yeah.
World record?
Ready, set, go.
Ew.
Oh, man, that was incredible.
And now for my next trick.
Ziggy!
Oh, sorry. What were you saying, Stephanie, huh?
Well, I'm having a party for Sporticus, but you guys can't come if you're going to do gross stuff like that.
A party with cakes and cookies
And presents.
And decorations?
We'll be good, huh?
But that's what you said last time. But then you ate too much sugar and got really wild and jumped all over the furniture.
Yeah, you did.
That was a month ago. I mean, I'm older now.